Hi, this is Ken with Ken's Jobs LLC. Today I'm going to walk you through basic installation of the Zmodo Greet 1.5 on a mechanical doorbell chime. For installation, it's suggested to have a multimeter, flathead screwdriver, the provided tool and hardware kit, and basic knowledge of doorbell systems. First, start by making sure your transformer and door chime are the same voltage. You can do this by opening your chime cover and checking the voltage requirements posted on the chime. Next, locate the transformer and check the output voltage to make sure it matches the chime requirements. Checking both of these makes sure you have an opportunity to make sure everything is compatible and can help prevent humming, buzzing, and other power issues. If your transformer is putting out more power than your chime recommends, then you can use the power accessory provided by Zmodo to prevent humming, buzzing, or to regulate power. But Zmodo recommends changing your transformer and chime to match to avoid any issues. After checking the voltage, turn off the electric. Next, remove the existing doorbell button. Now remove your wires from the doorbell button. If mounting on a wood, you can run the screws directly into the wood surface. If mounting on a concrete, use the masonry drill bit to drill holes and use the provided anchors. Now level, mark, and drill holes where the screws will need to be mounted for the mounting bracket. Pull the doorbell wires through and screw down the doorbell wires to the PCB board on the mount. Screw the Zmodo Greet mount to the wall. Slide your Zmodo Greet onto the mount. Place in the tamper resistant screws. Turn the electric back on and allow 30 minutes for the greet to charge prior to setting it up in the Zmodo app. The Zmodo greet should power on and start flashing green to show it is ready for setup in the Zmodo app. Install the Zmodo app from the Android or Apple app stores. Once the app is installed, open it. You'll be greeted with a login and sign up page. Go ahead and sign up if you don't already have a Zmodo account. Upon logging in, you will see a plus sign at the top right of the screen. Click on it. It will say Add Device and Add Mode. Click on Add Device. On the Add Device screen, it will say Select your connection method. Choose Zinc. The next page will say Number of devices. Select one and click the check mark. Please follow the directions in this next page carefully. You will click on the tap here to begin setup after reading the directions. It will take you to your Wi-Fi settings. Here you will pick your Zmodo Greet, not your normal Wi-Fi router. The Zmodo Greet's Wi-Fi name will start with ZMD. Select it. After connecting to your camera, go back into the Zmodo app and finish the on-screen instructions. It will ask for your router's name and password. Make sure to use 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and the password is typed properly or the camera will not be able to connect to your Wi-Fi router. Next, you will get a connecting page. Wait a few moments and the new page will open to name your camera and make a password. Your camera should be set up and ready to use now. One last thing I wanted to discuss that I see a lot of complaints online about is hearing a buzzing or humming coming from the chime after installing a video doorbell. It is important to remember that video doorbells are constantly pulling power and your doorbell chime may interpret this as a slight press of the doorbell button. If your transformer and chime are matched properly, you can use a 10 ohm, half watt resistor or more on the chime to prevent it from humming or buzzing like I did here. Thanks so much for watching our videos. Check out our website at kensjobs.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel for other product unboxing, installation, and review videos.